Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add highlights on Instagram without posting a story on Android. First, open Instagram on your phone. Make sure to log in or sign up. Go to your profile by tapping on the icon shown at the bottom. Tap on the three lines shown at the top right corner and go to Settings and Activity. Here you will be able to see different options by scrolling down. Tap on the Hide Story and Live option shown here. Hide the story from all your followers and the following. Now go back to the homepage of your Instagram profile. Tap on the story icon and select the image or video you want to add to the highlights. Put that on your story and no one will be able to see your story. After that, go to your profile and tap on the three lines shown here. Tap on Archive and you will be able to see your story here. Go to the story and tap on the highlights shown here. Add the highlights name and tap on Add. Now on your profile, you will be able to see your highlighted story. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos.